What's up, Radical Marketers? It's the Radical Marketer back for another video and a review on Unify Federal Credit Union. This credit union is amazing, but before we get into that, real quick, if this is your first time here on the channel, it's so great to have you. I make videos daily and I talk about how to leverage social media, how to build a business online, or how to make money online, and then also how to leverage credit. And I go deep and I make videos on what you want me to make videos on. So if this is your first time, go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss a beat. Okay, let's just jump right into the video. All right, guys, so Unify Federal Credit Union. They are calling this the next big credit union coming down the pipe for many people. I personally use them. I love them. I have a car loan with them, and I'll tell you my experience with them, okay? I also have a personal line of credit with them too, which I think is pretty awesome. So Unify Federal Credit Union, I believe it's based out of California, but you can actually get this credit union anywhere, okay? They got credit cards, they got personal loans, debt consolidation, student loans, home loans, vehicle loans, all of it. You name it, they got it, okay? But if you click on personal banking, one thing I wanted to show you guys is whenever you're looking for personal credit, sometimes always look under the credit lines. When you're looking for a personal line of credit, look under personal loans because it's a form of a loan. And they call it a signature line of credit. Some people call it a revolving line of credit. Some people call it a personal line of credit. It's all the same thing. But if you click on this, they offer anywhere from $1,500 to $50,000. Now, let me ask you a question. How would it make you feel if you had a $50,000 available credit line available that you could tap into whenever you wanted with low interest, right? That's amazing. Now, I'm going to do a separate video on what a personal line of credit is and what a revolving line of credit is so you guys get a better understanding of that. For those of you guys that know, you guys know that this is not common, okay? $50,000 is not common. If you can have a personal loan of $50,000 or a line of credit of $50,000, you always want the personal line of credit at $50,000. Why is that so? Well, because it's there for you when you want it, it's there when you need it, and it's there to help you leverage different things. Here's an example. So let's say my car breaks down, or I need to pay off a credit card. I can literally pull from that line of credit, right? Pay off whatever I need to pay off, open up a new card, and then move that money back and pay off the personal line of credit. The personal line of credit has a very, very low interest rate right now, and it's usually a lot lower than installment loans for sure, and then also lower than credit card interest rates. So the fact that they have a personal line of credit of $50,000 that's available is amazing. Now, let me tell you my experience. I actually opened up a Unify Credit Union so I could get this personal line of credit, okay? So what I usually tell people is open up a couple different credit unions, let it garden or let it season for 3 to 6 months, and then go apply for a card or go apply for a line of credit. Why is that? Well, because now you're making deposits in that account, you're taking out, you're doing withdrawals, you're doing banking, you're doing business with them. They're having a relationship with you. Banks love relationships, and especially credit unions love that. Okay, so let's just say you did that, right? Now they're going to start offering you credit card offers that are pre-approved. They're going to offer you, their lowest rates, things like that. So Unify is really proactive about that. Let me tell you my example of this. I applied for Unify. I want to say within 2 weeks after I had a checking account with Unify, I got an offer, actually got a phone call too, that said, hey, Mr. Hughes, we wanted to extend to you a $10,000 pre-approved credit card or a loan for $10,000. And I said, well, do you guys have a personal line of credit? Would that work instead? Yeah, we can offer you a $10,000 personal line of credit, not a problem at all. And I was pre-approved for it. That simple. So they gave me the $10,000 pre-approval on that, and I got my $10,000 line of credit. Now, here's the other thing that happened. After I got my $10,000 credit, they said, Mr. Hughes, we want to offer you a car loan. And I said, oh, okay. And they gave me like an insanely low rate. I want to say in the low 2s or high 1s, right? And I did that as well. So when you bank with credit unions, they give you offers like this, okay? But here's the things that I like about it. The personal loan is there if you want the personal loan. Up to 84 months is a long time. That's what, 7 years, right? And then there's discounts if you do automatic payments out of there so you don't miss anything. I'm a big fan of that, okay? The other thing that they offer too is specialty loans, okay? Really, really cool. They have student loans. They have secured certificate secured loan. What a certificate secured loan is just like a secured credit card, okay? But it's an installment loan, okay? So it shows up in an installment loan instead of a revolving line of credit. And we'll go over that too so you guys understand what that is. But they offer that. So if you say, hey, I got some revolving lines, but I don't have any installment loans, all you would do is, you'd put down $10,000 and you would make payments on that, and that $10,000 is staying there. So they would give you $10,000, but you would be having it held, and there'd be a small interest rate, and it's a cost of doing business. But consider it just like a secured credit card. It's a certificate secured loan, which is very, very popular. Okay. And the other thing is the short-term loans are there too. So you have a credit rebuilder program. This is amazing. Okay. You want to rebuild or establish credit anywhere from 200 to 1,000. Okay. You have to pay it back in 6 months. Okay. There's a fixed interest rate. Okay. And you can apply online or by phone or at a branch. Okay. Income verification is there. And so like you have the quick one, you have that. And so they have little things like this that you can build your credit. And they're really good at financial literacy and helping people build credit. They have a lot of different things that they offer, even personal loans and vehicle loans and home loans and all types of things, guys. So I would check them out, okay? If you guys want a specific rep on that, reach out to me. I have a specific banker that I work with that gives me the best rates and things like that. So I get nothing out of it. I just like linking people with good people. But Unify Credit Union, get their personal line of credit. I'm big. Get a lot of personal lines of credit that you can have, because you can always get more credit cards. And you never know when banks will tighten up. But when you have those personal lines of credit, you have those personal lines of credit. Okay, so check that out. That's Unify Federal Credit Union. You can call them up, see what you need to do to become a member of them. But you can go through that. It's easy to become a member. You can do it nationwide. It's not a problem at all. They have a great online banking app. And that's Unify Federal Credit Union. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll be doing some more credit unions out there soon. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.